everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Hellofresh gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to redeem Hellofresh gift card, first open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box that pops up at the top, type in www.hellofresh.com/gift/redeem. Now press enter. You'll end up in this official web page of Hellofresh. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. If you've got a gift card for Hellofresh, then you can simply type in the code that is displayed at the back of your gift card into the text box. Once you type in your information correct, click the redeem button. Now soon after you hit redeem, follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Hellofresh right away. Now once you redeem your gift card for Hellofresh, you can easily purchase eligible goods from Hellofresh websites and you can use your gift card as a mode of payment. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.